Golang interview question 2. Key features of Golang. So Golang or Go is a statically typed and compiled language designed by the Google engineer to solve the problems they face with the existing languages. It was created for performance, simplicity, scalability, three things critical in the modern software development. Unlike older compiled languages that can feel bloated or complex, Go offers a lean, minimalistic approach while retaining the power under the hood. It used in the infrastructure, backend system, DevOps tool, and more, especially in the cloud native world. Now, let's talk about the key features of Golang. So, first one is simplicity and clean syntax. Go keep things simple on the purpose. It avoids the feature that add unnecessary abstraction or cognitive load like classes, method overloading, or implicit behavior. Instead, it promotes a clear, explicit, and consistent code. This helps large teams maintain the large code base without getting overwhelmed. It also ensures that two Go developers can understand each other's code easily, even if they are never met. No magic, just clean and readable logic. Now, second feature is static typing with safety. So, static typing in Go is not just about the declaring the types, it's about the catching the errors before they reach to the production. So when you compile a Go program, the compiler enforces type correctness across the variable, function argument, and return types. This result in the fewer runtime bugs and more confidence during the refactoring. Unlike verbose, statically typed languages like Java or C Sharp, Go's syntax stay compact thanks to the type inference in many scenarios using the shorthand syntax. So the Golang third feature is built-in concurrency. So concurrency is the backbone of the scalable software. Go made it simple by backing it into the language. With Go routines, you can launch thousands of lightweight thread effortlessly. Channels allow the safe communication between them, no shared memory needed. Traditional thread-based system can be error-prone and hard to manage. Go's model is based on the communicating sequential process, making concurrency easier to reason about and safer to implement. No thread pools, no lock, just simple and readable code that scales. So the Golang fourth feature is compile language. So Go compiles it directly to the native binaries, unlike the Java, which requires the JVM or Python, which runs on the interpreter. Go produce the standalone executables. This makes the deployment simple and especially in the Docker container or minimal OS environments. No dependency, no runtime setup, just build and run. This result in the faster execution, lower memory usage, and quick deployment. And it is ideal for building the production-ready microservices and command line interface tool that requires the performance and speed. So the Golang fifth feature is garbage collection. Memory safety is a critical, but manual memory management can be error prone. Go strikes a balance with the automatic garbage collection that's optimized for the speed and minimal latency. This allows the developer to build high performance app without micromanaging memory allocations or worrying about the leaks. It's ideal for service expected to run continuously like daemons or APIs. And it is also useful for developer do not need to manage memory explicitly, which increase the developer productivity and safety. And it is also used for building the long running services real time application without worrying about the memory leaks. So the Golang 6 feature is rich standard library. So Go's standard library one of the strongest assets. It includes the package for networking, cryptography, file input output, text processing. Because it covers so much out of the box, you often don't need the third party libraries, reducing the external dependency and making your code more secure and portable. So the Go's seventh feature is cross-platform compilation. So Go's ability to compile for any OS architecture make it go to choice for the developers working across the platform. For example, if you are on Mac but need to build a binary for the Linux server or Raspberry Pi, it easy to as setting as a couple of environment variables. This is invaluable when building the command line tools, agents, or services that run on the diverse infrastructure. Now, this is the cross platform compilation example. This command tells Go to produce a Linux 64-bit binary regardless of your current system. So the Go's eighth feature is fast compilation. So Go compiles fast, really fast. Its compiler is designed to build large projects in the second, not a minutes. It uses a single pass strategy and smart catching mechanism to avoid the redundant work. This leads to the quicker feedback loops for the developer, faster CI/CD pipeline, and less than time spent waiting. So speed here translate to productivity. So the Golang's 9 feature is built-in tooling. Go ships with a full suite of tools that support the development lifecycle. Some highlights like a Go FMT ensure the code style consistency across the team. Go test make it easy to write a unit test and benchmark. Go mode provides the modern dependency management. Go doc generates a clean and navigable documentation directly from your code comments. These tools make Go complete ecosystem, reducing the need for the external setups. So Golang 10 feature is interface based design. So Go interfaces are satisfied implicitly, which means you do not have to declare that type implements an interface. It just need to have the required methods. This lead to the loose coupling, easier mocking in test, and flexible architecture. It is a very clean form of a polymorphism without inheritance or over engineering. This is the interface implementation example in Golang. Any type with a read method satisfied this interface that's powerful and elegant. So the Golang 11 feature is memory safety. Go is designed to be a safe by default. Unlike C and C++, you can't do arbitrary pointer arithmetic or access out of bound memory. It's a memory model, prevents the common bugs like buffer overflows, dangling pointers, or null dereferences. This is especially important in the network services, data pipelines, or security sensitive system where the stability and safety are non-negotiable. So let's do quick comparison that's often asked in the interviews. Go versus Python. So Go is a compile, so it's a significantly faster. Python concurrency is limited by the global interpreter lock GIL, while Go signs with the Go routines. Go versus Java. Go doesn't need the JVM or garbage collection tuning. It has a smaller binary, simpler syntax, and faster compilation. In short, Go brings together the speed of a C, the ease of the Python, and the safety of Java all in one language.